Hi everyone, my name is Boris, in my channel, and today I created my video on the kitchen, and it was uh, quite uh, quite quiet and because I was at home so very late, and it was, as I told yesterday, because we are meeting with my ex classmates, and it was fun, and I'm really excited, very excited. I'm very excited about this meeting because it was something from past, from our childhood time, and all these people at this moment stay simple like a long time ago. There's love, there's jokes, and it was so easy and so fun being with these people together after a long time. So I'm excited, and it was perfect evening yesterday. And today I was at work, and I returned in our training points after work because I have to fix my friend's motorcycle, because I'm broke broke this motorcycle on my last training, and it was a plastic. um, I have to repair a lot of plastics problems, plastics parts. I have to unite these parts in one part, and also it was broken uh, front front uh, brake was broken, but I saw today, and it's a little fixed. I have to change one detail with my broken pistons on the wheel, and it will be okay. I'm hope, and I think it will be okay after this fixed, and so it will be cheap and fast. But I have to repair. I have to change my brake fluid in this front brake brakes, and it will be okay. And I'm also excited because after my crash on this bike, I'm really afraid about, oh, it can be some high problem with maybe rear, maybe front, rear, maybe a lot of plastics problem, maybe with a bar. And today I saw all these moments, and it will be easy to fix. It will be cheap, and it's big, fat plus uh, with Chinese little pit bikes. It's good. And my friend will arrive at home tomorrow, and maybe on this weekend we will go on our training. uh, I'm not sure, but maybe. And so tomorrow I have to go to my market. I have to looking for details, and I have to fix broken plastic. And also I have to a little work tomorrow uh, between all these my deals. So thank you for watching today, and see you tomorrow. Bye.